LapMaster Wolters, asset ID 140375. Model number 12, serial number 18346. This video is just to demonstrate the proper operation of our unit prior to shipping. We are going to remove these weights just because it's running dry. We're gonna turn it on. There's already a program set in there, so we're just gonna start it. We're going to turn the RPMs up. Turn it off. Now we're going to turn on the pump back here. Gonna turn on the RPMs on it. So that's good. And last, we're going to turn up the RPMs and this. It includes a manual, a cover, 3 of these polishing things, 3 weights, the controller, and there's a unit.